Hello and welcome to Panther Financial Services. This is Pranav Patil. Today we will discuss how IPO is one way of great wealth creation. So in the last video we discussed about the lot of details about the IPO, what is the real meaning of IPO, how IPO works. I'll just recap the entire last discussion. IPO is nothing but helping someone to build their dream, and there are two ways you can help it by financially by applying the IPO. Indirectly you give the money to the company, and second is by sending the good thoughts. This company is good and they will do the great future. These small things, you may think that this the small thing, or this is what I'm talking about, but these small things, if you believe it from a layman perspective, actually it works a lot. So in the last video I discussed, it is like IPO is nothing but helping someone to build their dream, and how actually the wealth creation happens in the IPO we will discuss today with the facts. We will talk now. In this entire discussion we will see the past records as well, how the IPO has performed and what kind of returns it has given, and the why I'm saying IPO is a great wealth creation source. Now, uh, well, let me tell you now. We will When you apply for a IPO, you should remember three things. First is you will not sell the shares for a short-term perspective, say 1 years or 2 years or 3 years perspective. This is the terms and condition I'm talking about. If you wanted to create a great wealth, the first point is that you will not sell the shares immediately. The second, you will not do a top up as well. If the price comes down, you will not do a top up as well. On an exceptional basis, if you are sure and if you know the company is really doing great, exceptional basis you can top up it, otherwise there is no need to top up. And the third point is that you will not see the price once the IPO, you got the subscription. These are the three things you need to remember. First is you will not sell the shares. Second is you will not do a top up, as in additionally you will not buy it. And the third is no, you will not see the price. Now what happens, if you look at the past record of 5 years, approximately 191 IPO came in the market, and you don't need to apply for a big quantity, 2 lots or 3 lot or 5 lot or 10 lots to create the wealth. You can only apply for a 1 lot or max to max 2 lot. The point is you have to apply for all the IPO, irrespective of the fact the IPO is good, the company is good or bad, or there's a gray, what is the gray market of that particular IPO. Irrespective of it, all the things, irrespective of the price, or if you irrespective of the company's fundamental, apply for all IPO. What will happen, we will discuss that. So in the last 5 years there are approximately 191 IPO came in the market. I'm talking about 2017 to 2022. 191 IPO came in the market. The companies have raised 2,73,000 crore via these IPOs. The top performing like an ICA and DMart. The DMart has given almost 1300% return. Just imagine 5 years 1300% return, which is yearly, if you calculate, more than 200% return per year. There are other IPOs as well. What I have observed, or what my suggestion to you, why I'm saying you apply for all the IPO irrespective of any details. See what happens, out of 100 IPO, even if the 5 to 6 IPO works, that actually creates the great wealth for you. How much you are investing in each IPO? Max 15,000, or if you have a good amount of appetite, you will invest 30,000. So if you would have invested into this 191 IPOs, approximately the investment is somewhere around 28 lakh, 80,000. I'll make it round figure, 29 lakh. This IPO has given 38.5% annualized return. Can you imagine? And if you look at the entire gamut of this 191 IPO, only 12 IPOs have given a great wealth creation. So I'm talking about the one of DMart like 1300%. There are other IPOs as well who has given 700% return, 800% return. So only 12 IPOs. So approximately 6 IPOs for a 6%. So if you apply for 100 IPOs, even if the 6 works, that's it. Rest you don't need to worry. You just send the good vibration for all the companies you are investing, thinking that okay, I'm helping this company by taking the shares of that company. I'm helping them financially, I'm helping them with a good vibration as well, positive vibration, my good wishes for them to do a best business. And it works a lot. If you want, you can check the details as well, how many IPO came in the market. Now this is all about the 5 years. I'm talking about 38% annualized return average. I'm talking about if you apply for all IPOs. Then now if you look at the 10 years difference or the 10 years returns, it's beyond imagination. But you have to apply for all the IPOs with the same amount. If you're applying for a 15,000 or 30,000, you can apply minimum in a one lot. So one lot comes like 15k, two lots will be 30k. So if you apply for a 30k, you have to apply for all the IPOs 30k or 15k. You don't need to check any fundamentals or anything. You think logically. You see the facts, and after that you take your decision. So I'll just conclude the entire discussion. What my point is that I said that IPO is the very good wealth creation source. In the past 5 years, IPO has given 38.5% annualized return. The top performing IPOs like an ICA and DMart, they are giving like a crazy 1300% return. DMart has given. In the past 5 years, 191 IPO came and 12 IPOs have given a great returns. If you look at the last 10 years track record, the only IPOs have given a 52% return. You have the terms and condition I calculated on the basis same amount you invested in all the IPOs. It is not only you got the DMart and you didn't get the other IPO. You have to apply for all the IPOs whenever you see. So you don't need to even invest into, if you are not comfortable with the stocks, or if you are not comfortable with any other nifty bees or any other market product, you can try think over it. Just only terms and condition, you have to apply for all the IPOs. You will not sell it, you will not top up it, you will not see the price. And minimum investment criteria is 10 years. Hope you enjoyed this statistics. If you have any doubt, or if you have any question on this, you can revert me on the WhatsApp as well, or you can mention in the comment box as well. Thank you for your time. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.